لَيْسَ الْبِرَّ أَن تُوَلُّوا وُجُوهَكُمْ قِبَلَ الْمَشْرِقِ وَالْمَغْرِبِ. Now in the very beginning, this word bir, it's very difficult to give you in one English word the exact essence of the word bir. Righteousness, piety, charity, so many words combined together might give the sense of the word bir. لَيْسَ الْبِرَّ أَن تُوَلُّوا وُجُوهَكُمْ قِبَلَ الْمَشْرِقِ وَالْمَغْرِبِ. It is not all charity, all righteousness, that you turn your faces towards east and west. I differ from Mr. Pickthall. He has translated, it is not righteousness. This is different. And I am saying it is not all righteousness. It is included in righteousness. If you have been asked to face towards Qibla, towards Khana-e-Kaaba in your prayers, well, this is binding. And this becomes a part of righteousness. But it is not all righteousness. So it's not all righteousness or all piety or all charity that you turn your faces towards east and west. وَلَكِنَّ الْبِرَّ مَنْ آمَنَ بِاللَّهِ وَالْيَوْمِ الْآخِرِ وَالْمَلَائِكَةِ وَالْكِتَابِ وَالنَّبِيِّينَ. But the really pious or righteous man is one who believes in Allah or has faith in Allah. Again, the basic term Iman cannot be translated either by faith or by belief. But what can we do? We have to be contented with these words. Who have real faith in Allah, who really believe in Allah, and the Day of Judgment, and the angels, and the books, the scriptures, and the prophets. وَآتَ الْمَالَ عَلَى حُبِّهِ. And he gives away his wealth, his property, his belongings. عَلَى حُبِّهِ. In spite of the fact that wealth is dear to him. Another translation is possible. They give their wealth due to the love of Allah, by way of Allah's love. But I am preferring the other view and I'll give you the reason afterwards. They give away their wealth, their belongings, آتَ الْمَالَ عَلَى حُبِّهِ. Although the worldly belonging, the wealth is dear to man. And to whom he gives? ذَوِي الْقُرْبَى, the relatives, the kith and kin, وَالْيَتَامَى, and the orphans, وَالْمَسَاكِينَ, and the poor, the needy, وَابْنَ السَّبِيلِ, and the traveler, the wayfarer, وَالسَّائِلِينَ, and whosoever asks, وَفِي الرِّقَابِ, and in freeing the people from the bondage of slavery, وَأَقَامَ الصَّلَاةَ وَآتَى الزَّكَاةَ, and he establishes salah. Not suffice to say that he prays. No, he establishes salah. وَآتَى الزَّكَاةَ, and he establishes zakah. وَالْمُوفُونَ بِعَهْدِهِمْ إِذَا عَاهَدُوا, and those who fulfill their agreements, their commitments, whenever they make any agreements among themselves. وَالصَّابِرِينَ, and those who have patience and forbearance and perseverance. فِي الْبَأْسَاءِ وَالضَّرَّاءِ وَحِينَ الْبَأْسِ, in hunger and poverty, and bodily suffering and pain, and at the time of war. أُولَٰئِكَ الَّذِينَ صَدَقُوا. Only such are the people who are true, who are truly sincere, who are truly righteous. وَأُولَٰئِكَ هُمُ الْمُتَّقُونَ. And only such are the people who are muttaqi in the real sense of the word, who have the right taqwa in them.